Hello, hello, hello. And there's my boy. He's come out of the video, but he's going to go to the back, I think, also. Let me see if I can get him in here. Yes, buddy, buddy, buddy. Okay, come on over here, buddy. Let's see if we can get you in this video. Come on over here, honey. Come on. Come here, sweetheart. There's that boy. Oh, that's Buddy. Hi. I'm going to turn you around. He says, what are you doing with me? This is Buddy. He doesn't like the camera too much. Right, Buddy? Here, sweetheart. Okay, so he comes in the videos every once in a while. What can I say? He is my boy. All right, so I'm going to tell you about some things you have to be careful with when you're singing, when you're performing, when you're trying to exercise, you're writing. It's about where you position your head. All right, if I'm over here and I'm writing or I'm playing other, when I was young, I walked, I was alone and afraid. Now notice I'm up, but look, I want to show you. When I was young, I walked, I was alone and afraid. So sometimes look at my shoulders, how they're lifted up here. So I'm really creating tension here. And with my head goose like that, when I go for a high note, I'm out of alignment. I'm this way. All right, so I need to. When I was young, I walked, I was alone and afraid, down by the creek where I would talk. Okay, so now I'm in alignment and I can go and run away. So now my body is going to allow that note to come out. I don't want to goose my neck, okay? Now, I have students that I was teaching, and what happened was they were going for the high note. They were trying to get the high note, and one was standing up, and they were, they're in front, and they're trying to get the note. They're at the mic, and they couldn't get the note. And so I went over and I straightened out their neck. Now I also straightened out the chin going forward, okay? So that you didn't want, but the neck was also goosed. And when you goose your neck, you're out of alignment. I have another student that was singing a very hard song, and I had to get her to not do this. She was standing again. She was standing, and she was like this, and I had to straighten her out and make her realize that she couldn't. She had to be up and then coming out with the note. And then she was getting the notes a lot easier. So not only is it like say the jaw or your chin here coming forward, but it is the goosing of the neck that happens. So it's the whole head that goes forward. All right? So you don't want to goose the neck. You don't want the jaw, the chin to go forward. And let's see. Yes, that also. When you have a mic in the wrong position, the tendency is to go forward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the mic over here. Okay? And let's say I'm, okay, let's get it over here for you. So let's say I'm over here and I have the mic and it's in this position here. I'm going to put it down a little bit more. Now you're going to go like this to get to it. But notice your whole body is down. You want to be up. So what you do is raise it and come in with the whole body. You can step forward. I'm going to do something about that at another time for when you're standing and when you're recording. But you don't want to goose your neck to get into it. All right? So let's see. The lower lip also. The lower lip, and this is all about this portion here. The lower lip, Alone and afraid. You don't need to pull that lower lip in. Now, sometimes people get into habits and they like doing that, but actually it doesn't look good anyway. So when you're trying to form the sound, alone and afraid, afraid, whichever way you want to form that sound, not afraid, afraid. And especially when I start people changing from dropping the jaw and going into more of the smile, the lifting of the cheekbones, the tendency is to pull, okay, I gotta get it, you want it like a smile. So not the lower lip in, not bringing the goosing the neck, not bringing the jaw forward. It's all so important when you're singing. That's out of alignment. So you don't want to be out of alignment. You want to be able to push that note straight out. So keep this part of the body in alignment so you can get it. Now, truly, you can sing in any position. But this is when you're trying to do something that's hard, when you want to do things really, really well. And you want to do things well. I know you do. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a call to action. Subscribe. Okay? Leave a comment. I thank my subscribers. I love you. Thank you so much for subscribing and meeting me here. I love the fact that you come here. But I would love to get to know you even better. So that's a one-on-one. Or you can come to the membership. It's a subscription. It's singing for a lifetime. And that's what I do. I'm singing and I am mature, not old, mature. All right, sweethearts, you have a great day. Don't forget, go to marquitawaters.com. You can have all the information, read about me, and get in contact. Love to do a little lesson with you, or 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever. All right, see you later, alligator. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah. Bye-bye.